Get up, old man. We have to go. Take my hand. Lean on us.
I can't, I'm too weak.
You must. The storm is getting worse. All right, help me. To the shelter. Move.
The rain tests us, but we endure. This beam is heavy, help me. Keep going, we have no choice.
Almost there, hold steady. Careful with that beam, it's slipping. I've got it, Uncle. Good, now tie the supports. They're secured, but it's wet. Keep going, almost there.
The sun is bright today. Yes, grandfather, let me help you. Thank you, my son. We are almost there. I can manage.
My sons, the sun teaches us patience.
Yes, grandfather, we are listening.
Cherish this land. It is our mother.
We will, grandfather, we promise.
Good. Now let us be thankful.